Have you ever considered the parable of the blind men and the elephant in relation to scientific discovery? The tale tells of individuals each experiencing only one part of the beast, and each convinced their perception is the complete truth. The trunk is mistaken for a thick snake, the ear for a fan, the leg a tree trunk, the side a wall, the tail a rope, and the tusk a spear. The men argue, each adamant their understanding is absolute, yet they all miss the larger truth, the elephant in its entirety. In the icy reaches of the Arctic, a similar story unfolds. Here, atmospheric scientists, terrestrial ecologists, and oceanographers, each armed with their own tools, theories, and perspectives, set out to understand this vast, frozen wilderness. Atmospheric scientists see the effects of warming air on the ocean's surface. They observe rising air temperatures and the retreat of summer sea ice over the Arctic Ocean. They find that the albedo effect, similar to the temperature difference between a black car seat and a white seat on a sunny day, is causing more ice to melt than anticipated. On the other hand, terrestrial ecologists see the ground warmed by sunlight passing through the snowpack. They observe small mammals nestled in the subnivean space, a few inches of airspace under the snow, and the riot of plant growth during the months of 24-hour light. These plants, they find, not only draw down carbon dioxide, but also release bacteria and fungi into the air, forming cumulus clouds and cooling the region. Meanwhile, oceanographers see the climate being regulated by the ocean itself. They note the shift from a mostly ice-covered Arctic Ocean to one with nearly no sea ice in September. They observe the freezing of open water into sea ice, the sinking of cold, dense, salt-rich water, and the flow of nutrient-rich water from the Arctic into the nutrient-poor Atlantic. Yet, like the blind men in the parable, these scientists, limited by their own perspectives, struggle to comprehend the full complexity of the Arctic. They miss the interconnections, the unity, the agency of life that makes our planet inhabitable. And just like the men arguing over the nature of the elephant, people fortify their beliefs, drawing battle lines between each other, missing the larger truth. To truly grasp the nature of the elephant, or in this case the Arctic, the blind men must converse, listen, and consider each other's perceptions. Similarly, to better understand and protect the Earth, we must listen like the blind men, engage in dialogue and be open to perspectives beyond our own. Only then can we comprehend the entirety of what we are missing.